Kwapeda eutatar Edistrikta na kapanakin kanuka boliaso nuka zonal ball games 2 nuda ebeit ajaikin Edistrikta loka muria erasi akaisara nuare olapalo kantape Kalaki district nesda bian abu ikekeo etimulo ebuni agoikin kesi ko Edistrikta aboliaso nuwa sekunere akerak luda ebu ikinete Kalaki district kesida ajaikina isomeroi itomonare kotoma osomero itomona kanyare ko Edistrikta kere Ido isipijite esomero loko Otuboi comprehensive SS.
Even me, I'm watching from here.
Somero lo Otuboi comprehensive SS ngesida kobu igwoko ikopo yare imoriatos ediope kanuka apesur kede ediope lo imoriaret apesur kede isap posodi esomero lo Trinity College Otuboi ayangar kopolo isap Muhammad Senambi ngesida erai Apollo Kinton esomero lo Otuboi comprehensive SS.
Becoming the best out of 13 schools is not easy. Even me and my team are feeling the happiest time this year because getting to the top is not easy. We worked a lot, we went through all the drills, and finally the fruits have come. I want to call all those who are in the making continuing struggle for stage 4.
I'm really feeling so great. Everything has worked for me because throughout the day we thought we would not make it because our students were genuine. We did not buy any player. Other schools were bringing machineries, but they didn't make it. But for us, we said we can, and we really.
At the onset, when I looked at the performance of my students, I was a little bit worried. And I thought probably they would lose, but I got surprised and I'm really very happy for them. And I want to encourage them so much that it should just actually mark the beginning. This trophies must always remain here.
Dan Semei, Diopet Kalu aseseni aboliasonu, ngesida kobu ilip auriak, achama kinidwe aja utoma akironu aboliaso, narai ikamunete arerengushonu ajokak. Kanuka TV East, Habat Paul Eyoku, Kalaki District.
Our motto, talent into